This is the white finger compressor. What makes this different from the black finger is this one uses FET solid state circuitry versus tube circuitry. It has the same features. It has the squash for heavy compression. You have LED and lamp for fast or slower attack, and they've also added a sensitivity control, which is similar to the ratio of compression control. It's a really great sounding compressor at a very affordable price. This compressor also incorporates the optical circuit, and we'll start with the LED. Now for the lamp setting, which is a slower attack. And this setting is great for vocals and keyboards and just a really nice light compression to fill it out. I'll compare it to the really nice and transparent compression. Here's an example of the squash feature. It's really great for filling out your guitar tone. That's the signal unaffected. So the white finger is another great compressor. It's quiet and studio clean at a very affordable price.